Well, today's setup day, we got the new Prime Archery Black 3 down here at F6 Outdoor with my buddy Jamie Fuller. Jamie's actually only the second person to ever set up a bow for me. He's a wizard. He's super good at tuning these things in. What we're going to do is we're going to go through the setup. I'm going to run through the different gear and the stuff that I'm running on the bow this year, and then go through paper tuning, go through that process with everybody. Also talk about some of the new features of the Black 3. So we're going to get started.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Son of Rich Green, from Fort Knox to Fort Greene, the voice knots like horse beams has been foreseen. That all rival signals the end for your team. Like a game 7 loss, set it off, whatever the cost. The Randy that dominates the field better than Moss. Instead of the flaws, I'm about to blow. Insurmountable skills, still I count the dough. I make it bounce and roll, rock and skate, while your brain tries to contemplate the theories that I postulate. Cats overcompensate for a lack of skills, with tails and stacks and kills and bats and bills. Unarmed men in the battle of wits and wills, but I can drown the world with the way my wisdom spills. Me and Mike score together like kitchen grills, and we serve whack MCs just for kicks and thrills. Come on.
Red sky morning, I know it's real.
It's real. It's so real.
Red sky morning, go for my steel. If I ain't gonna come, I got a black cap bone. When the morning comes, I wanna stand alone.
The nebula brought a predator better than any regular.
So we just had John go ahead and shoot through the piece of paper down here to see what kind of paper tear we had. We had a little bit of a high right tear. I mean, I'm just talking a little bit. So I went ahead and moved his rest up, and I also moved his rest to the left a little bit. So we're going to shoot again and see what we got.
Watching the moon's path, moving the tides, influence the destinations, the comets, the constellations, the galaxies circulating, harmonic and oscillation, hypnotic and penetrating, releasing your mind to the vacuum of space. Could you reach it in time and go faster? Blast your disasters in vaster proportions for the masters, the universal. Cash carries over to the versers. To inverse for the verses of virtues you earn too. Stern truth learned by discerned view, so it burns you to turn to the sleuth for the proof. Get a little sharper in the tooth for the root. Bring it in the boot and catch the boot from the roof. It's real.
Red sky morning, I know it's real.
It's real. It's so real.
Red sky morning, go for my steel. If I gonna come, I got a black cap on. When the morning comes, I'm gonna stand alone.
Got one punched in there. Not shooting spot targets for a little while, and then also just not pulling a lot of arrows back consistently like this. There's probably a little bit of fatigue in the shoulders and that kind of stuff, but no, I'm happy with that. We got this new bow shooting good, dialed in, tuned in. Now it's time to go outside and set our 60-yard pin, and we'll have this HHA sight dialed in.
Red sky morning, I know it's real.
It's real.
said, red sky morning, I know it's real.
It's so real.
Red sky morning, go for my steel. Fight gonna come, I got a black cap on. When the morning comes, I'm gonna stand alone. We did that up.
Gee.